If you want to learn how me and my students have been making between $100 and $1,000 monthly creating and uploading books, then it's important to stick with me on this video. And as you can see on my screen, these are testimonies of my students who are doing this same business model I'm about to show you right now. And the name of this business model is called Amazon KDP, which involves you creating books and uploading them on Amazon. Amazon helps you sell your book to its over 400 million active users worldwide, and you get paid royalties in dollars. And no, you don't need to be a writer to do this business. You don't even need to talk to anybody or persuade anybody. This is not affiliate marketing. You don't even need to bring one person that will bring two people. This is not anything referral. All you need is your smartphone and the right knowledge to do this business. As a matter of fact, let me show you how to get started already, so you too can start sharing your testimony just like my students. So the first thing you want to do is to come to kdp.amazon.com. You can use your phone or your laptop to open it up, anyone you have. Then when the site opens, you want to come to sign up. You want to sign up for an account because you're new, so you sign up for an account. And when it opens up, you put in your email and your preferred password, and you create your account on kdp.amazon.com. So after creating your KDP account, the next thing you want to create is your virtual US account, and you can do that using Payoneer or GPay or GrayPay to create your virtual US account. And when you get paid or when you earn some money from KDP, it will be sent to your virtual US account, and from your virtual US account you can send it to your local account here in Nigeria. So if you want me to teach you thoroughly and mentor you on how this business is done, so you can start sharing testimony like my students or even better results, the first thing you want to do is to like this video and comment interested. The second thing you want to do is to save this video for later, because whether I like it or not, we are ending SAPA this year. And the last thing you want to do is to go to my bio and connect with me on WhatsApp to join my next masterclass that I'm going to be holding.